If you're tired of the time it takes to record and edit videos, but you still want to use video to reach your clients, think about live streaming. That means going live on your Facebook page or on Instagram, even going live here on YouTube. That's what we'll be talking about today. Live streaming and ways you can use it to build your audience, increase your customer base, and grow your business. I'm Cheryl Tan, the creator of Master Video Today and the Video Bootcamp. I offer weekly strategies to help service businesses use video to reach more clients and customers. If you're enjoying these videos, please let me know. You can click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then share this video with your team. At the end of this video, I'll tell you where you can join my Facebook group and join me for my live streams. I want to start out by sharing some of the benefits of live streaming, and there are many. There's no editing required. So if time is an issue or if you're worried about having to level up your technical skills, then you set a time to go live to your group or here on YouTube, you go live, and that's it. You have a finished product. It's a great way to build engagement with your audience. You can set a date and a time, like Wednesdays at 11 a.m., and tell your community you'll be there, ready to answer your questions. They'll know when to expect you and will have a greater likelihood of joining you for the live stream if they know when to meet you and where. You will find your voice over time. Once you put yourself out there and you go live consistently, you'll figure out what you want to say and who you want to say it to. It's something you figure out only after you do the work consistently. But there are a few challenges with live streaming. It's live. And while you can delete your live stream afterward, you really can't take it back. So if you really mess up, it's out there for the world to see. Can you delete the live stream? Yes, you can, but the stream could still be out there if someone knew how to capture it somehow. The quality of your live stream depends on the quality of your internet connection. If you have a poor connection, or here at my house, for some reason the internet always seems to go down around 2 in the afternoon, then this may affect your live stream. It could affect not only the online connection, but the quality of your picture, and it can get frustrating for you or for your viewers. And then don't forget, this is live. Things go wrong all the time when you're live. Your tech may not work, you'll get knocked off because your internet connection goes sour. People will show up and ask you questions, or they won't show up and you're all alone. Knowing this could happen ahead of time will help you out in the long run. In this video, I wanted to give you 3 things I do to prepare for my live streams. First things first, I figure out a topic that my audience wants to hear about. This isn't live stream specific, it's how I come up with topics for blogs, podcasts, and pre-recorded videos. I'm asking my audience questions all the time and listening to the things they say to me, so I have a running list of topics and I constantly add to them. Once you come up with a topic, then you have to come up with a really great headline. I'll be sharing some of my best headlines in one of my new offerings called Video Kickstart. I'll post details on that in the comments below. Coming up with a topic that your audience wants to hear about is so important to compel them to join your live stream in the first place. The second thing I do is make sure my studio is set up. That means clearing the background, making sure my camera is set up properly, that the audio is good, and that I'm lit well. I talk specifically about setting up your video studio in this video. I map out what I want to say in the video, usually using bullet points, and then I use a piece of software called Ecamm Live to go live into Facebook. You can go live from the Facebook interface, but I really like using Ecamm Live. I have the pro version, and it allows me to connect to my Facebook group and go live into the group from its interface. Once you're in Ecamm, all I do is make sure my camera and my microphone are connected. I go to the settings tab to make sure the connections are good. I write a description for my live stream and then click go live. Once I do that, it gives me a countdown and I'm live in my Facebook group, and that's it. When people comment, you can see their comments on your screen. Once you're finished, end the broadcast. You then have the choice to keep the broadcast on your Facebook page or delete it. And that's it. To recap, pick a great topic, set up your studio, create a compelling headline, and go live. If you're interested in joining my free Facebook group where I go live regularly, I'll put the link in the description below, or you can search for the Stand Out with Cheryl Tan podcast community in Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, please let me know. Like this video or share it with a friend. I'll see you in the next video.